Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop, and today I'm gonna show you how to take prop firm challenges and turn them into a $5,600 monthly passive income. Yeah, that's right. Income where you don't even have to trade yourself. But before we get into all that, let me show you a couple videos and pics from my vacation to beautiful Cuba. So check that out. I'm in beautiful Cuba. Man, this is the back porch. Got a swimming pool. So this is amazing. I'm loving it. Enjoying my time. All right, yeah, that was a beautiful trip. So let's get right into it, guys. You can see on the screen, guys, I am passing prop firm challenges. Right now, I'm passing Nova funded and Next Step funded. All right, so those two prop firms, you can purchase a challenge and I will pass them. All right. But I want to show you something because a lot of people ask me, they're like, Alex, all right, that's great. But what do I do after I have the funded account? What if I don't know how to trade? You know, what if I don't know how to, what if I'm new to Forex? What do I do? Well, guys, I have a solution for you. All right. I have a solution for you. So I'm going to show you, an example of what is possible here. All right. So as you know, prop firm, companies basically pay you to trade their account. All right. So whatever trades that you make or whatever profits you make inside that account at the end of the month, there's normally a profit split, which is about 80-20, where they give you 80% of the profits and they keep 20%. Okay. So typically that's what prop firms are. They just want to test your ability as a trader. But, right, some people are new to Forex. Some people don't know how to trade. So, how do you navigate this and still get paid? All right. Well, there are companies that will manage your prop firm accounts. All right. Now they charge, a percentage of the profit split. And I'll get into that a little bit, but they will manage your prop firm account for you. So you don't really have to even trade it yourself if you don't want to. And all they ask for is a profit split on the profits after that the prop firm company has already taken their profit. So let me just show you an example. Okay, and this is entirely optional, guys. If you just want the passing service and you just want me to just pass your account and you trade it yourself or whatever, you can do that. Just shoot me a message on Telegram and I will do that and I'll pass your challenge. All right. Again, this is for Nova funding and Next Step funding. Okay. All right. But if you're looking for completely hands off, you want, this company to manage it for you and, pass your challenges, whatever the case may be. All right. So let me just show you what's the potential are on this. All right. So prop firm challenges, there are different account sizes that you can purchase. All right. So you can purchase a 25K challenge. All right, so that's 25K to basically trade 25K simulated funds. And let's say that these companies, normally they aim for about 10%. Even when I trade myself, like manually, I aim for about 10% a month. But so let's say about 10% a month, that's 2,500 on that 25K. Okay, so at the end of the month, you have made, or they have made for you 2,500. The prop firm company gets 20% of that. So you keep 2,000, right? So 2,000 of that. So you have 2,000K. The company that manages your prop firm account will keep 30% of that. Okay. So at the end of the day, your take home or what you keep will be 1,400. That's on a 25K account. All right. Now stick with me. This is where it gets exciting. You can get a 50K account. 10% of that is 5,000. That's the profit on that. You keep 4,000 if you're trading the account yourself, or if you're letting the third party trade the account for you, you keep 2,800 because they get 30% of the 4K. All right. So you keep 2,800. Guys, that's somebody's rent. That's somebody's rent, right? Depending on where you are in the world. All right. Now it gets even more interesting. You could get a 100K account, right? You could purchase a 100K account or challenge. I pass it for you, right? So that first month, let's say you make 10% on it. If you're trading yourself and you make 10%, that's 8K in your pocket. All right. If the company's, trading for you passively, so you don't have to do anything yourself, that's $5,600 that you get to pocket. That's amazing, guys. And that's, the title of this video, how to literally make $5,600 passively, where you don't even have to trade yourself. Maybe you don't, you're new to Forex. You don't really feel comfortable trading the account yourself. This is an option where you can literally turn this into passive income. 5,600. And the beautiful thing about this is, this is only one prop firm, right? There are other prop firms, like I mentioned, 2 that I can pass for you. So let's say you have a 100K account at one, you could get another 100K account at the same one or at a different one, right? And that's like 5,600 times 2 or times 3, right? I hope that your head is turning a little bit and spinning a little bit, and the excitement, and you're starting to see the possibilities of this. All right. Okay. There's also a 200K account, right? And 10% on that is 20K. 80-20 profit split. You're keeping 16,000 if you're trading yourself. Okay. Or if the third party is trading for you, then you're keeping 11,200. 11,000. What would an extra $11,200 at the end of the month do for you? You have to think about that. What would that do for you? Right? So far, all the challenges that I've taken, I've passed. So, people ask, what's your success rate at passing these challenges? Man, I've passed 100%. I've passed 100%. And you can see here the testimonials, challenge passed, just seeing the email, challenge passed, thank you. Just saw that it passed. Honestly, this is amazing. This person said, yeah, it just got funded, so different testimonials there going on. All right. So you can see that, I am passing these challenges. For this week, I'm also offering a discount on passing these challenges. So if you want to take advantage of that, don't sit and wait, right? Because the price may increase again. Message me right away on Telegram so we can get this challenge passed. And once I pass the challenge, I'll also connect you to that company that can trade for you, so you don't have to trade yourself, guys. So this is a beautiful thing. This is an amazing opportunity, guys. If you're looking to take advantage of this, get in touch with me on Telegram. Don't wait. Don't sit on the fence. All right. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram as well. All right. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye.